Hello guys, today I'll show you how to awaken Buddha in Blox fruits. The Buddha fruit is a powerful legendary beast-type fruit in Blox fruits, known for its balance for price and power. Here's how to acquire and maximize its potential. Firstly, purchase it from the Blox fruit dealer, which costs at 1,200,000 or 1,650 Robux. It costs 14,500 fragments obtained from raids or defeating sea beasts to awaken the Buddha fruit. The order is Z, which is Shift, F, X, C, and V. It contains passives such as Divine Aura, which damages reduction and increased reach. Then Seismic Jump Volt 2, which shockwave and increased jump height upon transformation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.